Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this one we are going to be learning how to add email button onto Instagram profile, or add email to Instagram account. So first of all, you're going to be definitely opening Instagram onto your device. What you need to do is simply scroll a little bit down, and you can see on the bottom right side of our screen we have this profile icon, and when we click on that, you can see we are now directly towards our profile section. Here we have this option to edit profile or share profile. Now the point to be noted before you head over to this particular step is that make sure that your account is not set to personal, but in fact it is set to professional account, or the business account as they say it. So yeah, and it is as well public as well, so people can contact you on email address. Obviously you're not going to be keeping it private, so what's the point of just showing up on your profile? So to set up your email onto your profile, it is important that you are rolling with an business account. Once you do, you can see we have these two options to edit our profile, and the second one is going to be the share profile. So simply click on edit profile option, and here you have this option below under category. You can see we have contact options, and simply head over to this little arrow, and now here we can add our business email address, business phone number, and WhatsApp phone number as well. So simply type in here your email, whatever it is. Like for example, in my case it is something like this. Let me add it really quickly. Okay, so once it is added, click on save, and now if you head back to your sorry, I just cancel it. So you get the point, right? When you add it, it will be showing up in here. So that's a pretty simple process on how you can add email onto your profile, email button. So I really hope you understood the concept and found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share around with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.